Meaning of fox terrier.
Fox terrier.
Fox terrier.
Fox terrier.
Fox terrier. A fox terrier is a type of small to medium-sized dog breed that was originally bred in England for hunting foxes. They are known for their intelligence, energy, and determined nature. There are two varieties of the fox terrier breed, the smooth fox terrier and the wire fox terrier. Both types have a distinctive white coat with black or brown markings. The breed is popular among dog enthusiasts and is often used in various canine sports, such as agility and obedience competitions. Overall, the fox terrier is a beloved and highly regarded breed among dog owners worldwide.